We are pleased to show you the 2013 Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior, a powerful V6 option, and excellent off-road capability, and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row. This vehicle has less than 130,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, tires, front, on-off road, tires, rear, on-off road, front disc rear drum brakes, steel wheels, traction control. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You've found it, so stop in today.